So I finished out here finally. My lawnmower broke down on me the other day. Had to pay $350 for another one. It's a good one though, front wheel drive. So I'm not too disappointed. It'll make his money back next season. But I did get everything nice and cut, and edged up. Got a little green growing over there in that area. A banana tree. The canna, the orange flowers, but you just missed it. I wish I recorded earlier, but the orange flowers would have been nice on here. There's a little bit of it, not too much of it left. Got a baby banana here. I decided to put my bananas and my cannas together to give it that tropical feel because I feel attracted to it. It always has. That's why I have so many ferns. I've got a green bean bush, lots of growth but no beans yet. Kale, got black bean, got cantaloupe, and I just started to mulch over here. I just really started to get everything filled out. I had to pull some grass this morning, so there's still a little bit left that I'm gonna have to get later on before I finally mulch it down. I'm thinking about putting lettuce in there to just kind of fill it out. I like to fill up my gardens as much as possible without too much, because then you won't get as much of a growth or crop. Put lava rocks here. I wanted to accent the garden finally. And there's grass there. I got some weed and grass killer from Lowe's. It was about maybe $5 to $7, and I used that to just take care of stuff like that. Just a little bit of overgrowth, not too much. Got my wife's zucchini here. There's a lot of 7 dust on it because it just keeps getting attacked by these beetles that will really ruin your crop. And there's an example of what they can do from the inside out. And you got all my tomatoes. Surprisingly enough, I didn't plant any of those. They were remnants from last season. I guess that ones that fell during the frost, the seeds survived and made it to this season. I got my sweet potato plants. I got these a few weeks ago and they've taken off real nice. I can't wait to see how sweet they really are when they come out this winter. Okay. And then got this bush right here. Purple flowers. I can't remember the name. I looked it up one time and forgot it. But I love it. It's been bumblebees on it all day. They've just literally been here all day, flying in and out of the bush. And I've started to put pebble gravel down there. Look, dragonfly. But I started to put pebble gravel down to accent the bush here, and also to save me time getting under there to cut the grass. Got lava rock there. I've got to blow it all out and get the bush all nice again. But everything's coming along. My ferns. That's a Japanese. I can't remember the name of it. I know it's Japanese. This one I believe is the August fern, I want to say. We've got gladiolas, macho fern. Can't remember this one either. Can't remember that name. More gladiolas. This one slips my mind. I want to say astral palm or something to that effect. This one is I believe the Kimberly palm fern. And this is the same thing, I believe, the astral fern. And there's a red star that survived last season and it started to grow two heads, so that's doing pretty good. A little bit of allergies here. Another Kimberly palm. Some of my succulents. Accidentally stepped on this one a day after I planted it, but it's coming back, and I like the way it's retained its color and everything about it, really. And then that one, it's just grown. It hasn't really done too much. It's just grown like that. And I've got another one I'm going to put in the center there to round that out. My wife's got to pick a color for the tires, and we're going to set that up. And that's going to be done over here. But as far as everything goes, Looks like everything's going pretty nice. I'm gonna get to the rest of the yard slowly but surely. Everything's coming together nicely. Well, until next time, you guys work safe, be good, and have fun.